You can expect a lot from the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle rocks its class with 6-cylinder efficiency and distinctive styling. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a power rear cargo door, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.